Hey guys, this is a product review video. If you are interested in this product, you can keep watching or else you can skip. Etude water tint. This water tint has been there since ever. I have not seen a lot of people talk about it. So let us talk about it. It's their Dear Darling tint. As the name says, it's super watery. And this is the swatch on my hand, and this is the swatch on the website. Water tint, so it leaves a stain quickly, so you have to blend it super fast. This is how it looks blended out. One is grapefruit aid, and it's very similar to how it looks on the website picture, so it is true to the picture. This product leaves a stain very quickly. You have to work really fast, and I'm just going to go with very little amount, and look how pigmented that is. This does not disrupt the base underneath at all. Sometimes when you have a tint which is super watery, can easily disrupt your base. एक बार मैंने इसको लगा लिया, अब एक और layer दे सकते हैं safely, because we know how pigmented that is. Super pigmented, so it's better you build it up rather than putting it too much right away and then have a patch. Now, simply a very beautiful product to be used on top of makeup, under makeup. Let's put it on the lips now. I'm just taking off the excess product, and so it has this very candy-like scent to it, which is very heavy for the first 10 seconds, but then it fades out. Wiping it off right away, and you can see the stain is so opaque. Wow. And also it will take a long time to finish up because it's super watery, super thin and super pigmented. You just need a very little amount of this product for your face. और सच बताऊं तो Etude के कुछ products ने मुझे बहुत disappoint कर दिया था to a level that I thought I will never buy from the brand again. But this redeemed everything. I've been using this product since a few days since I've got it. I can safely say that it's a skin safe product, so you can use it on your bare face as well. In 450 rupees, a very long lasting, highly pigmented, superb quality skin tint that will last you for a long time is amazing. I think you should definitely go for it, and everyone should have this one in their vanity. And you can always get it on some discount. I have, I think, 5 to 6 shades more in this range. You can check them out as well. I believe I will also be purchasing more shades of this one. So I hope this helped. Bye.